Hey, what's up, XRP holder? The current condition is very critical now, and what's the expert says about XRP? Today will wake up, they will moving upward. The price will be increasing this month. A lot of holder, my friend, ask me this question to please predicate this coin. We need to predicate absolutely, my friends, to we understand to upcoming time there is a chance so they will give us a profit or not. So first of all, you can see, remember, this time the latest price is 0.62062 is 82 USD dollar, and absolutely the last 24-hour chain occur, you can see here in the price. So there is another loss now, my brother. You can see here minus 5.29%, the price is lost now, and absolutely there are two big reasons, my friends, to they will fails down. And I already my previous video I explained this, my friends, to they will why they will fails down in this month. Especially don't worry, my brother, I will tell again, this time absolutely in the start of month they will fails down. So don't see this sharp fails. Try to understand who subscribe this channel, absolutely he has understand, but who is new, then absolutely, my friend, remember to in the start of month every coin will fails down. Yes, my brother, if you just only follow this channel, I hope you understand everything and you never lost. So kindly click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for videos notification, and don't forget to like video. All right, just completed 100 like, I hope you do it, man. All right, come to the point, my friend. This time if we predicate this coin, then we better understand. So first of all, we need to predicate this coin. This time, first of all, my friend, update very important, and after that I will predicate this coin. So update, you can see exactly price 0.62 USD dollar, and you can see, my brother, this time the 24-hour volume 17 billion, yes, my brother, and available supply, you can see here 46 million, and you can see here this time the market cap 29 billion, and if we check out just an only total supply, so 99 million. So that's mean, my brothers, to every change occurring will be negative now and fades down in a previous days. But definitely, my friends, try to understand in the start of month every coin will fails down. So therefore don't see, my friend, this short fail. And if you have any plan to invest for a long time, especially in those days, so I think you will be doing very good now, because the price is very cheap now. You know, in last month just in only, my friend, they will lost 0.4 USD dollar. So that's a very big big, my friend, amount now. So I hope, my brother, they will again recover it just in only in this July month. But this is possible, my friends, so they will also fails down more. Yeah, remember, my brother, this is absolutely possible to they will fails down more, because, my friend, that's all depend on short time investor. You know why? Because XRP, one of the, my friend, very good coin, and absolutely especially short time investor, they are very like this coin, so they fails down sometime when they starting selling, so they will very badly fails down. So therefore this is not good for a long term investor. You know why? Because, my brother, if you invest for a long time, so they cannot give you a good profit. But if you invest for a short time, so when they take sometime they will take a very huge jump. Now they touch, my friend, 1 USD dollar, so then you sell, I hope they will give you a very good profit. But if you invest for a long time, for 1 year, for 2 year, then they cannot give you a good profit, because, you know, my brother, especially in last month, my friend, they will give you a 1 USD dollar, but today they will give you 0.6 USD dollar. So that's mean to they will loss now. So try to understand, hope you understand. And there is one option available, my friend, is Cardano. Yes, one of a stable coin if you want to invest for a long time. So I think Cardano is best option. Go now, invest now, I hope they will give you a very good profit. Let's see, my brother, absolutely my prediction is going to be positive now, you know, because after a fails, I know to every coin will pay moving upward now. So therefore I am 100% sure to after this fail they will moving upward, and absolutely they will make a triangle. So that's mean, my brothers, too, they will come again here now. So this is possible, my friends, so they will moving upward. Let's see holders what they do, but kindly just and only we need to hold and we need to wait for the end of this month. See you next time, XRP holder. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos.